Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic product to help prevent your child from entering and potentially injuring themselves in certain areas of your home. Dreambaby's Boston Auto Close Security Gate is a strong, versatile safety gate to fit any doorway, stairway, and hallway. When the gate comes out of the box, you will notice a gap. This is normal on pressure-mounted gates, and the gap will disappear when properly installed. The gate will fit openings 75 to 83.5 centimeters or 29.5 to 38 inches wide, and it's 73.5 centimeters or 29 inches tall. The gate also has a Smart Stay Open feature where it stays open when you choose to have it stay open when passing through. It will auto-close from any angle once properly installed. To install, simply size the doorway, fasten the mounting cups to the wall with double-sided adhesive tape. The mounting cups must be screwed into place. Place the gate into position, tighten the screw adjusters. Start with the bottom two and then do the top until the latch closes securely. Make sure the adjusters stay equal distance from the wall on both sides. The two vertical supports should be at 90 degrees to the bottom horizontal piece. The EZY-Check indicator should show green, which means it's locked. If it shows any red, the gate needs to be adjusted. To open, slide the latch away from the wall and lift the gate. The swing stop feature allows the gate to open in only one direction. To open in both directions, simply remove the swing stop. The swing stop can also be reversed to open in the opposite direction. Periodically, check everything is working fine and, if necessary, readjust the screw adjusters until it's working perfectly once again. To install extensions, remove the screw adjusters from the gate on the side you wish to place an extension. Be sure to refer to the directions for which specific extension to use and how to properly install it.